if you want to show incoming calls on a Glyph matrix or the Glyph display over here on Nothing Phone 3, what you need to do is first of all open Settings, go to Glyph Interface, and scroll down until you find Essential Notifications. Over here you should be able to find all these notifications that are added or rules that are added, but in that case, in order to see incoming calls, we need to add a new rule. So let's say we're gonna change the name to incoming call or calls. Okay, now over here we can tap on all apps in order to choose only the phone app. There we go. You can even tap on the pen icon on the right side in order to choose which specific notifications should be included. So most likely you want to only choose incoming calls over here. So let's say we're gonna uncheck everything and we're gonna just leave incoming calls and press done in the top right corner. Alright, so now we're gonna go back. You can even include only specific contacts for which the glyph will be displayed. However, in my case, I'm just gonna not include anyone. I want to see the icon when I have incoming call in general. We also have keywords, but they are not really used or necessary in that case. And then we can also choose the icon that will be displayed when you have that incoming call. So let's see if we can find something that is similar. And I couldn't find anything particular, so let's say we're gonna choose this one over here, this last one. And then we need to save the rule. So now, if someone calls us, we will see the selected icon over here on the Glyph matrix. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.